Red color. Green color. White color. I draw capital letter A. Small letter A. Capital letter B. Small letter B. Capital letter C. Small letter C. Let's paint red color. A for aeroplane. Small letter A. A for apple. Yellow color. Capital letter B. B for broccoli. Small letter B. B for banana. Green color. Capital letter C. C for cow. Small letter C. C for cake. Let's repeat learn. Capital letter A. Small letter A. Capital letter B. Small letter B. Capital letter C and small letter C. I hope you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.